Okay, so when Canon released their new series of RF lenses along with the Canon EOS R, they added a new feature to their lenses. A new ring was added next to the zoom and focus ring that they're calling the Control Ring. The ring itself feels quite solid and well made. It is made of metal and has a very durable knurled finish that is unlikely to degrade over time. It is fully programmable and essentially allows you to bind a function of the camera to the rotation of the ring. You can have it set to control the ISO, shutter speed, aperture, exposure compensation, and many other functions, but let's say for example that you wanted to assign it to your ISO. Then, when the ring is spun, it increases or decreases the current ISO setting of the camera. This then allows the setting you are changing in its current state to be seen through the viewfinder while not interfering with your ability to view the current frame. This then can be seen when you are looking in the viewfinder without needing to back out to the back or top screens to adjust your settings. It is designed so that you can stay shooting longer and more continuously and thus minimize the amount of time you need to spend adjusting your settings. I currently have experienced this feature on the RF 24-105 f4 lens, which you can see the review of here. I think it is quite well implemented in this case, but Canon is also making what it calls the Control Ring adapter. This is like the normal adapter which converts traditional EF lenses to RF lenses, however, it also features the Control Ring. The traditional control ring on the body of the lens I find to be quite comfortable and natural to use. However, I am not so sure of the Control Ring adapter. I find it to be mounted too close to the camera body to be used comfortably. It is not that it is poorly made or anything of that nature, I just find its placement to be too close to the camera body to be able to use comfortably. It is still usable, but I do not think it is worth the extra $100 over the basic converter offering. But back to the ring in general. The new feature is quite nice and a great thing to have. It shows development in the camera lens space, which is always good to see, as many of the innovations in recent years have been in improving image stabilization and lens quality, so to see Canon bringing something new to the table is always exciting. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments section below, and thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.